All right, so you have an empty and new HTML page, and what you really want to do is get this site loaded. Let's say you've got something exciting and beautiful here, and you're really ready to set things up. You can go to several places to do this. You can go right over here. You can click New Site or Manage Sites. Click right up here in Site, New Site, and Manage Sites. You can even do it down in the Files panel, okay? I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to click New Site. It's going to give me these options over here. I'm going to name my site right away. Theseersucker. Okay. I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to just say where this local or where this local root folder is going to be. Okay, I'm just going to come in here and click right here, and I'm going to come in and place a new folder in here. I'm just going to make a new folder. I'm going to call this theseersucker. I'm going to choose that as my root folder. I'm going to come right over here and go to servers and make a new server here. And it doesn't matter really what I name it. I'm just going to repeat the same name. Probably not the best idea, but it's okay. And I'm going to FTP it. I'm going to FTP it up to my own personal website. And I'll put in my username and password. Then I'll test it. And it is connected to my server. That's awesome. That's exactly what I'm looking to have happen right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Save. I'm going to click Save again. And so now this site that has nothing in it really is going to be up on the internet. Okay, all I have to do is put something in here. I'm going to put some content in. I'm going to say so now what I'm going to do, now that I've got content on my HTML page, and I'm going to actually click inside of this folder and see what I've got. Okay. I want to save this this HTML page. So I'm going to File, Save, and I'm going to call it index.html, where in the seersucker, and click Save, and that should pop right up right there. So I want to take this, I want to upload this somewhere to the internet somewhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to connect to my remote server right there. Wait for it to connect. And now you can see I've actually got all of this information somewhere over here. Now I can come over here and just move this whole little folder over here into my remote folder. This actually represents, this on the left represents the server out there in internet land, and this represents my computer, exactly the root folder for the computer that you're seeing right in front of you. Okay. Now I can move this one index file. I can rename it if I like to. I can rename it whatever I like. In fact, let's rename it from index to, let's call it the junk page, junk.html. Now that I've got that one little junk page there, I'm going to just put it over here by clicking the up button. And I'm going to click yes. I do want the dependent files to be there as well. And now I have a junk page somewhere over here, right there. Okay, that little junk page. Now it doesn't have anything on it, but what's really cool is if I go to my website, of course you won't see it. It's not actually showing up anywhere. Why is it not showing up anywhere? Where did it go? Well, if I just put a little slash here, and after that I put junk.html, and I click enter, we've got exactly what we should have. This is a fun test site. This is only for testing purposes. And we can see that this is not on my local site. This is actually out there in internet land. So this actually went up to where it was supposed to go to. Now, of course, I can populate this page with text or with images or whatever else I want to place in here, okay? I hope this is helpful for you.